Welcome to this quick start guide on how to use the Detailed Comments app in SkyCiv Structural 3D. My name's Sam, and today I'm going to take you through a quick example of how to get started, as well as some of the functionality that we offer in this app that has been created to make collaboration and file sharing a lot easier. So to get started with the app, if you don't see add-ons here and you haven't already installed the app, you simply just go to your account settings, under here, account settings, your software settings, and then you can just toggle on the Detailed Comments app here, and then save your settings. So it's really simple to install these add-ons. All you have to do is turn them on, save the settings, and then refresh your browser, and you'll find that the app is then in your add-ons. So to launch that, obviously you just click this button here, which will show this little tile, which can be moved around for your convenience. So we can see here I've already got a couple of comments and reviews that I've put into the save with this model, and some of which are resolved. So it's really quite intuitive how to work with it. You can simply just add a new comment here. Maybe you've got some particular part of the model you want an engineer to review, or someone in your team to have a look at. Maybe this member or this support. I can highlight that support and say check support fixity code. For instance, is this meant to be fixed or pinned? And I can include a screenshot, which is exactly what I'm seeing here will then come through on the report, or I can exclude a screenshot as well, and I can also include a push notification. So if I want to send this, if I've got my Slack app installed and I want to send this to the Slack channel, I can include that as well. But for now, I'll just keep that off and send my detailed comment right now. So that'll generate the image, save with the model, and then also include it in your detailed comments list. Now there's a few options we've got here. So we do have information such as the date, the comments. We've also got a card here that tells you who saved. So if you have multiple people adding comments and including screenshots, you can see who actually added that comment. And if this is an issue that I need to resolve or have someone review, I can have another engineer come through and resolve this issue and give it that green tick that's been marked off as completed. And you'll see that bubble is now updated to having one less issue to be resolved. So it makes that kind of handover between engineers a lot smoother. It also helps keep track of all the issues that you have, so that project manager or at the end of the project you want to review all the changes that have been made. You can also download a report which will give a better indication of what changes have been made to the model, what issues have been tracked and resolved, for that clear transparency with the project. So this also helps if you're coming back to a model, say a few months later, and you're trying to figure out what revisions or what changes were made to the model or why certain things happened. You've got a very clear PDF report here with detailed comments and when it was resolved and by whom. Kind of clear insight into your model and what's changed. So you can also export that as PDF at any time. So this also integrates with, like I said, Slack app and also your Microsoft Teams app as well. So you can get these comments coming through in other platforms to sync your communication tools and your analysis software. If you'd have any other questions, please let us know at support@skyciv.com. Otherwise, we also have a documentation page simply by clicking the question mark here that you can review in more detail what this app does and how you can use it for your workflows. And also, if you'd like to see any other apps, feel free to email us. We're always looking for new ideas of how we can improve this structural engineering workflow and help our users achieve more. Thanks a lot.